Hi, Milorad here. I am ready to go to Garland camera to purchase my R6 Mark III. Mark III. Okay, I pre-ordered that maybe 2-3 weeks ago and it came in and now I'm going to pick it up. I already have R6 Mark II that I will try to sell to pay partially for R6 Mark III. Let's go to Garland camera and buy my R6 Mark III. Woo! I'm here in front of Garland camera to buy my Canon R6 Mark III. Woo!
Use ones, but that's better.
Unfortunately, I had one yesterday. It's already gone. I mean, they last hours. At best. At best. Yeah, and the crazy part is that we have a list. I call everybody on the list. We leave voicemails. No one.
Hey, hi, I came to pick up my camera.
Okay. You put it down payment?
Yes.
It was already running.
Okay, we are back from Garland camera and look what I have here. R6 Mark III. And this is a bag with a couple freebies, probably worth $2. And here, as you can see, I have also my R6 Mark II camera that is that I was using for last year and a half, 2 years, and my RF 100 to 500 millimeter lens plus 2x extender, and that's what I'm going to start using with R6 Mark III. Okay, let's unbox it. And look at that, fancy. They put this instruction manual. Okay, what is this? Warranty card. I need to fill up that. Okay, here we have a new battery. It's LPE6P, and it's actually updated battery, but I think it's compatible with the other batteries from previous camera. This is battery charger, and here we have strap, EOS R6 Mark III Canon that I usually don't use. And there is camera. There it is. R6 Mark III. Same screen. Let me just quickly put this away just for a second. I want to compare the camera. Okay. What I'm going to do is I'm going to use this battery, put it in this and turn it on. And it's on. This battery from R6 Mark II is working. Well, I heard that when you actually using in video mode, some of things will not work with this battery. You need to use this new updated LPE6P battery. Okay, camera works. I'm not going to do anything else. I just want to actually mount this lens just to kind of feel it in my hand. Okay, this is going to be my go-to when I go and photograph birds and other wildlife as well. And R6 Mark II is going to be my backup camera. For now, I will try to sell it. And the only thing that I am going to try to see if this silicone case from R6 Mark II will fit this R6 Mark III. I think it will not, but anyway, because I just researched silicone case for R6 Mark III is not available yet because it's brand new camera. Those people in China still did not make it yet, maybe because they couldn't get hand on this new camera. Okay, that's about it. Just unboxing R6 Mark III. Woo! I see only one little problem. It's beginning of December. That means my season to go and photograph birds, it's over, and I will probably wait maybe a month or two before I go and test the camera in the field, or maybe some good sunny day in December I may go out and do some testing. Until then, thank you very much for watching. Milorad out.